So hello everyone, a very warm welcome and a very good evening. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day and I am here to help you with all your trading concerns. So most of the traders, those who are already aware about me, so every now and then I am used to conduct some sort of contest where I am just trying to take some challenges where I am taking some certain type of trading. I am just following some strategies, technical tools just to make a couple of positive trades and just to make sure that it's a win-win situation. So along with the information which I am going to share with you, I am also trying to give away some risk-free trades so that you will be able to get something. So again, I am back with the new challenge. The name of the challenge, as you must have already checked in the description, the name of the challenge is X in a row. I will explain how this challenge is going to work. So I will be sharing once Google form where you will be adding the trade and like asset name, what should be the trade direction, you will be helping me with that also, and then the trade time frame. If I will be able to make a 3 back-to-back positive trades, then a $5 risk-free trade will be unlocked. If I will be able to make the fourth trade also positive, so with each trade that value of that RFT will keep on increasing, so that can reach to 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever the amount, like the number of trades we will be making positive. Behind every trade I will just light up this bulb, so you will be able to confirm that how many trades we have already managed to succeed. But there is one loophole, one condition like where we need to work on, that in case if my any single trade after third, fourth, fifth, sixth, if even a single trade will go negative, then this window will be clock over. I mean to say, in case if I'll manage to unlock a RFT of $7, after that 8th trade is negative, so again we need to start from 1. So the minimum to minimum giveaway for a RFT will be $7. But if we'll manage to make more, then of course we will try in that way. So today we are going to work together as a team. You will be helping me with the different signals, different technical, like you can use any of your technical, and at the same time I will be also using some technical, and I will be explaining that which technical I have applied, how it is going to work. So nothing to worry. If anything is getting complicated for you, nothing to worry about that one. I will keep on explaining it. And one last thing I just want to tell you, that comment section is already active. In case if you will be facing any difficulties, any doubt, question, query, you can ask me there itself. And before moving ahead, before kicking off the session, I just request you, please confirm if my audio and video is clear, because this is the main thing, like where we need to focus on. If everything is sorted, streamlined, only then we will be able to connect properly. Okay, so welcome again. Let me introduce again myself. My name is Kunal Kapoor. I am the financial expert for the day. Olymptrade is used to conduct sessions every now and then where we are trying to get in touch with our traders, where we are trying to help them in their trading concerns. So this is one of the sessions. So what I will do first, before starting this session, I will open a couple of assets. Like some will be OTC, some will be composites. Doesn't matter like which specific asset you are going to use. Like you can pick anything as per your choice. So I will be using any strategy like which I want to, and in the meantime you can also help me that which one you want me to use, which one you want me to explore and talk about. Okay, so let me share the Google form link also in the comment section. Okay, so traders, this is the Google form link. Once you will open this one, it will look like this. Here you will put your trader ID, asset name, time frame, direction, and click on submit. Once you will click on submit, that will be visible here. So whichever signal I will be picking, and I will be taking a trade. If the trade will go positive or initially we will focus on only on the positive trades. In case we will not be able to manage, like we will not be able to make profitable trades, then we will consider all that all the signals which I am going to pick. So you can keep on making your entries, time frame, trade direction, whatever you want to add. Make sure you complete the form and click on submit. Once I'll pick it from there, I will highlight it, and at the end of the session there will be one lucky winner who will be getting a $5 risk-free trade, minimum $5 risk-free trade. Okay, so I got some confirmation that everything is clear and sorted. Thank you so much. There is one trader who mentioned, please help me, I lost 3,000 from my father's account. Gamer Madara ji, I'm sad to see like you made some losses, but tell me that which technical you were using, like you were using some strategy, or you were just only based on some random candle patterns. What is the best time to trade Asia Composite? Money Tech Canada ji, there is no such specific time, like whenever you are getting a trending market, like as we know that trend is your friend. So whenever you are getting a trend, trading in a trending market, that is the best time to trade. But apart from that, you can avoid trading like whenever the market is switching from one time zone to another time zone. Designer Genius, I'm sure that if you will be able to participate and if you will be lucky enough, then of course you will get some RFT. Bro, try Forex in Crash STM 150. Slowed music, I will try to use that asset also, nothing to worry. Hello traders, hello to everyone. Okay, so let's kick off today's session. Let me see if I have received any signal so far. Very nice traders, very nice. This is something which I am expecting. Okay, so Raji, this is a humble request for you. You need to put your asset name, not your name. I request you put your asset name, okay, so that I can open a trade on that. Okay, so let me pick this first one, AUD New Zealand OTC. Let me see, AUD New Zealand OTC. Okay, so this is the first signal which we are going to pick. Let me apply at least one strategy. So what I will I'm going to apply today, we can go with Friday. Let's go with Friday. We will go with the Friday strategy. So in this one we are going to use 3 EMAs, 5, 13 and 55. Whenever we are going to get any intersection, so we can open a position. Okay, so in this one, the trader who gave this signal, so if we will be applying this strategy, if we are going to follow this strategy, there is a signal, but that is for the upward direction. Reason behind, we can see that we are going to follow the direction of the low frequency EMA. So EMA 5 is intersecting 55 on this level. So the market can go into the upward direction, and we are also finding the same thing, like market is moving into the upward direction. At the same time, I will try if there is any support or resistance level also. No, there is nothing like that. Okay, no worries, we will try to go for another. Very nice traders. This is something which I am always expecting. This is something which is exciting to see, that traders are also eager to join such type of contest, such type of sessions where we are talking about technicals and we are also trying to help. Okay, in Asia Composite 5 minute up, let me try to analyze. Okay, so there is a signal for the downward trend. If I'll switch to a 2 minute time window, let me see. No. See, if I'll check, there is no such support or resistance level also, even though the support level is also breached. So I am expecting that market can go into the downward direction. So up we can't consider. Let me consider this one, Europe Composite Index. This is something, okay, I'm expecting that sooner or later we will be getting at least one signal where we will be opening a position. Okay, so in Europe Composite 1 minute up, let me analyze. Okay, so 1 minute chart time frame, let me see. No, there is nothing like which will be indicating that we can take a trade in the upward direction. Again, the support level is already breached, so market is moving into the downward direction. The another level is also breached. So traders, you guys are doing great, but there is something like where you need to work on the trades. The asset which you are suggesting me, signals are there, but for the different direction. But today we are in the one team, so of course we should work together. So whatever the direction you will be suggesting, I will be taking trade on that one. So on Crypto Composite 2 minutes down, let me analyze. Okay, so 2 minute down, let me analyze it for at least 1 minute. Okay, this is nice. We can pick this one because signal is about to be there. If this intersection will be completed, then we can open a trade in the downward direction, even though this support level is there. Let's see if this will be breached, then we will take a trade in the downward. Let's see how it goes. No, it's very near. The signal can be there. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's use a $10 RFT. So at least we should be having something in the window. to check. We have used our RFT. Even I am also expecting that the market might bounce back. The reason behind is the intersection was not completed. At the same time, there was a support level. This one, and market was trying to breach, but market was not able to. No worries, at least we took one trade. I have already used the RFT just to be on the safer side. Traders, I am expecting more signals, so please help me with more and more signals. Let me share the ID again. Let me share the Google form link again. So this is the Google form link which you can use. All you just need to put your trader ID, asset name, time frame, and a direction. Click on submit. So once you will click on submit, that will be visible here, and I will be taking that specific signal to work on. If the trade will go positive, I will highlight it. Even though if the trade will go negative, I will keep on highlighting it. The today's challenge is X in a row, so minimum to minimum I need to open three back-to-back positive trades. If the trades will go positive, one $5 RFT will be unlocked, and whosoever signals I am going to use, these will be added in that randomizer. So one lucky winner will be getting that RFT. Okay, Europe composite, what's the direction? Okay, 2 minute up, Europe composite, 2 minute up. No. Okay, no such signals because support level is already breached. Market moving into the downward direction. Now we can't pick this one. Let me take this one, gold OTC. So whichever asset I am going to take the trade, that is the one which I am going to highlight. Okay, so on gold OTC market, what's the direction? Be 2 minute down. If we would have picked on this level, so that was the better position, but right now I don't think like that is a suitable one. Okay, no worries. We will try to explore more Asia composite. Traders, if you want me to use any specific strategy, you can mention that also in the comment section. Like right now I am using Friday strategy. So in this one EMA we are using. Okay, so in this one, let me check if any signal is there. No, level is already breached, so downward direction, no. Okay, there can be a signal because if we are based on the Friday strategy, so as we already know that we are going to focus on the low frequency EMA, and on the basis of intersection, in whichever direction it is going to intersect the higher frequency, that can be the direction of the market. Traders, understand what I am saying. That can be, I am not saying that that will be. So intersection is there. Let's see if the market will move into our favor. Even though again the market is stuck in the support level, it's about to 7 o'clock, so US market is about to be open, so we can expect some sudden volatility, we can expect some negative trades also, but nothing to worry, we will try our best to explore. Okay, so this is the signal. Okay, traders, requesting again, please put your trader ID and the asset name, because in case if there was a great signal, we were supposed to make some profit, but still I am not able to use. The reason behind is complete information is not there. Okay, let me pick Asia composite. Okay, Asia composite, we are already there. 5 minute down. Let me see if we can analyze it for 2 minutes at least. So majority of time what I am focusing on, so minimum chart time frame I am considering it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then I am taking a trade for at least 1 or 2 or 3 candles. Okay, so this is the one which I have used for the next trade, $10 in Asia composite downward direction. Okay, let me. So this is Mahajantram or which one? I'm not sure. Okay, no worries. We will move to the another one. Euro USD OTC. Where is Euro USD? Okay, sorry, it's Euro AUD. Okay, so this is the one. What's the direction? 1 minute down. Let me try to analyze it. Minimum 30 seconds. Let's see. No, there is nothing. Okay, we can do one thing. We can take a trade on the basis of this support level. If this level will be breached, we can take a trade in the downward direction. Just wait for the completion of this candle. If the market will move into the same direction, we can open a trade. Okay, on this one I want to open a trade with a longer with a bigger amount. Okay, let's see. Very nice. So level is breached. Let's see if the market will move into our favor. Let's see. So I have opened couple of trades. Let me see if any of the trade went positive. Okay, so very nice. Asia Composite went positive. Apart from that, okay, this is the previous trade which I have opened. Okay, this one is also seems to be going positive, and this is also very nice traders. This is something which we are expecting, which we are looking forward. So if are these back to back three trades will go positive, we will be able to unlock $5 RFT. So one bulb is already on. Let's see how it goes for the further one. Let me take couple of comments also. So Bhanu Prasad ji, I request you please add your answers, add your signals in the Google form itself, because that will be more easy for me to pick it from there, and I will be able to highlight them also. Okay, so the same to Money Tech Kannada ji, I request everyone. Okay, so there is a trader who is asking some question. Okay, I'm so sorry traders, I'm so sorry if I have missed comments. Okay, which fixed time is better to trade? Ahmad ji, like whatever the chart time frame you are using, you can go with the trade time frame of double or 2 or 3 candles. So that is also depending that which technical you are using. So I request you also for consider that thing. If you are using any specific technical, you can also let me know. Falcon bro, how to control mind while trading? Please help me. It would help everyone. Falcon, this is true, completely true. I am completely agree with you, because majority of time I have found traders that they are struggling with their trading psychology and risk management and money management. So understand one thing, all you just need to avoid two things. That first one is over trading, and the second one is revenge trading. Revenge trading means I have lost something on a specific asset and I am just trying to recover from the same. That doesn't make sense at all. Like if I have lost $10 or $100 on crypto composite, but on the other hand I can see that there is some data floating into the market, or gold is in in the booming side. So rather than bugging on the same asset, I will switch the asset and start recovering on the same. Second thing, over trading. Over trading means I managed to book a profit. Now I'm just trying to make it bigger and bigger. That is something like where you should be focused on. Okay, that is completely fine. Every one of us is here to make profit. That makes sense. But how much you are going to make in a day and how much you are going to lose in a day, you should be the one who will be controlling that fact. By that I am trying to say that you should have a take profit and stop loss. Once you will hit any one of them, just exit the market. In case if you want to stretch it, then there are a couple of another techniques which you can follow that stick to your stop loss. Like my take profit is $500, my stop loss is 300. I hit $500. Now I will start stretching my target from 500 to 550, from 550 to 600. Now whenever I will start making some losses, like while going from 500 to 550, if I'll start making some losses, so once I will touch the stop loss on my take profit, I mean to say $500 minus 300. Now that 300 will not be applicable on your capital, that will be applicable on your profit. So once you will lose that money, exit the market. So by doing that one, if you are following the same scenario, if you're doing the same mistake throughout the week, every day you make a profit of 500, then you lose 300, make a profit of 500, you lose 300. So by the end of the week, you will be having somewhere around $1,400 in your account as a profit. That is the first thing. Second thing, your capital is still available, and that is the second thing, like where you need to focus on. In trading, there is the basic funda which we always focus on. You can make money only when you have money. So you will be able to make profits only once you will be having capital in your trading account. And having capital in your trading account, that doesn't mean at all that you will keep on making deposits again and again. That completely means that you will use that capital again and again. Very nice traders, very nice. Okay. Huge round of applause. So finally we managed to unlock our $5 RFT. So 3 back-to-back trades are positive. Now we will look forward for fourth. If the fourth trade will go positive, then what we will do? The $5 RFT giveaway will be $6. So very nice traders. Thank you so much. Okay, so I will come back to the comment section also. Let me open a couple of more trades. Okay, let me pick this one. traders, in case if I am missing any one of your comment or any one of your signal, I really apologize for that, but I am just trying to pick the nearest one, the recent one, so that we will be able to grab the opportunity. So okay, so on this one, 2 minute up, so I will consider at least minimum half time frames. No, there is no signals for the up trade. The reason behind, the market already breached the support level. This one is also breached, so we can take a trade in the downward. Okay, or on the basis of this level, I'm not sure that if the market will stuck here. Okay, no worries, let's move to the another. Okay, Asia Composite 5 minute, which one? Down, very nice, very nice. Let's go for a 2 minute chart time frame minimum. Okay, so this level is now traders, in this one market is stuck somewhere in this support level. So I'm not sure if the market will be able to breach this level. If the market will breach, then the nearest there is another support level also nearby. So I'm not sure if we should pick that one. If we are supposed to pick on the basis of this strategy, then the signal is quite old, because EMA 5 and EMA 13 both have intersected the 55, but almost 1 2 3 4, this is the fourth candle. So I don't think like this should be that will be a wise decision. But let me analyze, let me see if we can open our trade at least for on the basis of support level. Okay, so this level might be breached sooner or later. Let's see, let's wait for at least 10 more seconds, 9 more seconds, and in case if the market will breach the level, then I will be opening a trade for 5 minutes in the downward direction. I am just hoping that I will be able to unlock more and more bigger and bigger RFTs for my viewers. Okay, so I have picked this signal. Let's see if it works. Okay, okay, I will just pick from here. Okay, so Astro Composite, okay, we can see, look forward for that. Astro index 2 minute down, Astro index 2 minute down. So for 2 minute chart time frame, trade time frame, at least we need to focus on 1 minute. That should be enough. Okay, no traders, there is no such opportunity to open a trade in that direction. The reason behind is no signal on the basis of strategy. Apart from that, if I am also focusing on the support and resistance, this level is all like not breached at all. The market is still stuck somewhere. So if the market will breach this level, we can, okay, let's do it. Let's open a trade for 2 minute down, because market managed to breach this level. Let's see if we will be able to make up a profit. Let me highlight these all signals which I have used, so that will be more easy for me to bifurcate at the end of the session. Okay, so these are the signals which we have used so far. GBP USD OTC, let's see GBP USD OTC, where is it? Okay, so this is the one, 93%, very nice. Okay, so what's the direction? 2 minute up. Let's analyze it at least for 1 minute. If the market will breach this level, we can think about it. It's a nice signal, but I am expecting some volatility also. So let's see if the market will breach this level. Then I will. No, market is stuck. Okay, let's do it. Another trade for 2 minutes, $25 with the help of a RFT. I have opened in the upward direction. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so this one, gold OTC. Let me see. Traders, I can see that many traders are, they are quick enough. They are adding signals, but there are a few traders, those who are not that active. So I am expecting to see more and more trader IDs, different trader IDs. So just help me with that one, because the higher the profit I am going to make, of course, the more opportunities will be there to get a bigger amount RFT. No, there is no like signal to make a trade in the upward direction. Reason behind, this level is breached. No signals on the basis of support and on the basis of this tech. Okay, so these two trades I am expecting to go okay. So let's see how much was the difference. So that was a very close difference, traders. That was very close, very close. So let's see what can be done here. So, or what was the reason? So we opened a direction. No worries, no worries. So I need to clock it over again. I was expecting that today I will be, going with $6, at least $6 to $7 RFT, but unfortunately we make a negative trades. No worries, two more trades are there in the pipeline. So in case if these two trades will go positive, then we will look forward for the third one. Let me take some more comments also. Okay, so hello to everyone. Faizan ji, I'm so sorry, today's session is in English. If you are comfortable with Hindi, Urdu, Tuesdays and Thursdays we are conducting sessions on the same channel. So traders, let me tell you that this is our official channel where we are conducting sessions in 8 different languages: Hindi, English, Portuguese, Thai, Arabic. Like 8 different languages are available here. Each session is having a different time, so you can join as per that. And in the meantime, if you are occupied during that time window and you are not able to join us, you can do one thing: just go to the content part playlist. You will be able to see all the playlist as per their languages, and then you can explore the same, because whatever the sessions we are going to conduct, everything is going to be saved there. Okay, so one trade positive, very nice, on GBP USD OTC, and the second one I'm also expecting to go positive. Traders, we are not going to consider this one. This is a trade which I have opened previously. Okay, so we will not be doing any cheating. Okay, Europe Composite Index, let me pick Europe Composite. Okay, so where is it? Europe Composite. Okay, so what's the direction? 5 minute down, 5 minute down. So minimum analysis time should be 2 minutes for this strategy. Okay, no, I'm not finding anything, because if we would have opened the position on this level or this, that could be a direction, but right now nothing exciting. Okay, let me pick this one also, Asia Composite. Okay, so it's Asia Composite Index. Let's see what's the direction. 1 minute down. So let's analyze at least for 30 seconds. Let's make it. And traders, you might be observing that I am just keep on changing assets back to back. I am keep on opening signals back to back. So all in all, I am just trying to work on that challenge. But for you, there are no such compulsions. So you need to stay calm, work on your technicals, look forward for a signal. Once the pop-up is going to be there, then you should open a trade. Okay, so you should also wait for the trade result. Once the trade will go positive or negative, on that basis you will be making an analysis that whether you are supposed to take a trade in downward direction, upward direction. You need to increase the capital or decrease the capital. This trade, I am not sure about that. The market has breached the level. Let's do it. Let's take a trade for $5 in a downward CAD CHF. Okay, crypto composite. Let's see crypto composite. What exactly crypto is, how the crypto is performing. Crypto composite. Okay, so in crypto, what's the direction? 2 minute up. Let's analyze the chart for at least 1 minute, and then we will analyze. Okay, there can be a signal, there is an opportunity. If the intersection will be there, we can open a trade for 2 minutes in upward direction. If the intersection will be there, although the resistance level can be nearby, but we will wait. If the signal will be there, then we can think about it. It can be a nice signal, because see, the 5 EMA is about to intersect 13 in upward direction. Now traders, you might be observing that I am also waiting for the exact signal. I am not waiting trading on the signal which can be there or which might be there. I am waiting for the confirmation. Once the confirmation is going to be there, then I am taking that trade, or on the safer side I am using the RFTs, risk free trade. So if you have, well and good, but if you don't have risk free trade, I suggest wait for the signal. Don't be too late and don't be too quick enough. So everything should be on time. No, this signal got dropped. because market was not able to sustain into that specific direction. Again, Asia Composite, I can see that, I can observe like today most of the traders they are very fond of Asia Composite Index. Okay, what's the direction? 2 minute up. Okay, 1 minute chart. No, there is nothing, traders, there is nothing like that. Okay, let me take some comments also. Sir, I lost a lot of money while I lost trade in 5 to 10 seconds. Doesn't matter at what time frame all my trades go against me. 5 live, just tell me which technical you are using. Is doing fraud, please see. 5 live, there is nothing like that, like we are doing any such fraud or something like that, because in fact we are also willing to teach you that you will be able to make more and more profit. And at the same time, let me show you one more thing. So whatever that like asset you are trading on, just open that one, go to the view quote history. So each asset is having a quote history, and you will be able to check the quotes also. So you can put the time and verify the quotes, and it's not being verified as it's the third party, those who are verifying the quotes. So everything is genuine. All you just need to focus on that what exactly can be there to improve the results. Let me see if the very nice. So no, this is another trade, so which I have opened on the previously. Let me show you so this trade I have opened for 3 hours. In this one I have used SMA, I have used RSI also, just to make an analysis on the basis of 15-minute candle, and then I was assuming that the market will move into the upward direction, and successfully we managed to book a profit with a nice there is a nice difference also. It's not like that we were on the edge and that was a luck. So analysis was quite fine. Okay, let's move forward for some more comments. Okay, please tell me truth. 5 live G, nothing to worry about that. And that one, in fact we are also conducting live sessions like this YouTube. Apart from that, we are also giving personal consultations to our expert level holders. We are also giving group sessions on Zoom, and each service is free of cost. You don't need to pay anything ever to anyone, like no subscription charges, no annual fees, no what we call commission, nothing like that. Because the reason behind, we are also trying to teach our traders to improve their trading concern. Okay, so Rena Arslan, hello. Asia Composite to Money Tech Canada ji, I request you again, please add the your signal in this Google form. Put your trader ID, asset name, time and direction, and click on submit. Once you click on submit, that will be here. I'm so sorry traders if I have missed something, but I need to take care of the comments also. So hello to everyone. Okay, could you please take the trade? Real 74, on which asset you want me to take? Okay, again I can see some traders, they mentioned Gulshan ji want to say something. Okay, let me see. I can copy your trade. Is this safe? Tell me. Astro Composite. I'm so sorry traders, I just scroll a bit more. Okay, so I'm so sorry, I just missed something to mention. So traders, there are a couple of things you need to focus on. The first one is a financial market. There is a possibility of partial and fully capital loss, so you need to focus on that. You need to work on your learning skills also. It's not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So make sure you invest enough time, learn about it, work on your technicals. After that you start working. Second thing, all the trades which I am going to take, I am taking or I have taken in the past, everything is depending on my skill. I am the one who is responsible, and everything is depending on my practice. Third thing, as a few traders have asked, like if they want to do some copy trading. See traders, there is a telecast gap which lies between somewhere around 30 seconds to 1 minute. You might have observed also that the screen which is visible direct to you and the live chart in front of you on the platform, that is having a difference of somewhere around 10-15 seconds or 30 seconds. So there is a possibility that if you are opening a trade on a very short time duration, that can lead to a negative trade. Because just give me a second. If you want to use it manually, just go to this technical. No need to buy the strategy. Whichever strategy I am talking about, majority of time we are discussing, so we are not suggesting you to buy that. You can apply it manually. Just go to the add more tools, search for EMA, apply the frequency of 5, then go to the back button, then see, you can adjust the EMA values also. So just adjust and make sure you change the color also, so that will be more easy for you to understand and differentiate. Okay, so that's how you are going to use it. Let me see how was it. Oh my god, we lose the third trade. No, there was a huge difference. Let's see if there was a volatility or we made incorrect analysis. Okay, so we booked the trade in the downward direction on the basis of 2 minute chart time window. Okay, so what I was thinking, like if we would have opened the position a bit earlier, that could be a different scenario, but no worries. So far we have already unlocked a $5 RFT, so nothing to worry. We will try to make it higher. Let me take a couple of more components. Okay, next. Okay, Hadarji, sorry. Okay, let me pick the nearest one. Euro JPY OTC. What's the direction? 2 minute up. Okay, so 2 minute up we will analyze on the basis of 1 minute chart time frame. Let's see if we are getting any 2 minute up. Now there. If we would have opened this on this candle, that was a perfect position. The reason behind, there was a rejection on the basis of support level, so there was a analysis that market can bounce back, and market is. Now if we want to open a position, so we need to wait for this intersection. If this intersection will be there, we have the window at least from till here, because this can act as a resistance level. So if this intersection will be there, then we have that much window to open a trade and to make a profit. Let's see if it will go into our favor. Crypto, we will not stick to one asset. Okay, so let's see if crypto is showing any signal. 2 minute down, 1 minute chart analysis is enough. Okay, so market is stuck somewhere in the resistance level. If the market will breach this level, we can take a trade in the downward 2 minute down, right? Yeah, so we can take a trade on the basis of this resistance level, but still almost 38 seconds are there to go, so it's a very long time we need to wait. No worries, let me take a couple. 1 week loss 500. Heather, do you use any technical? Are you using any strategy? Because $500 is a very nice capital, but you have lost that one, so you need to work on your technicals also, fundamentals also. Low capital is the problem of 80%. Bharam Devji, I'm so sorry, but this time I'm not agree at all with this. The reason behind is, it's not always about the capital you are having, it's always about how you are using it. Okay, let me take a trade in the downward direction. I have used RFT because there is a still possibility that the market might be able to breach this level, but on one candle the market was stuck. So let's see if market will stay stuck there and we will be able to make a profit. Yeah, so what we were talking about, the capital. It's not about the capital, how much you have, it's also about how you are using it. Because see, let me tell you with one example, clear it with one example. So your capital is like your car, your vehicle. Doesn't matter whether you have a luxury or you have a basic car. Your technical and fundamentals, your trading skills, these are the engine oil, or the you can consider it as a mechanic who is taking care of that engine, who is doing the regular service and regular engine check. Now your capital is like your fuel. Doesn't matter what car you have, doesn't matter how good your mechanic is, or how good the fuel, or what we call the engine oil you are using. In case if you don't have the correct fuel in the car, you will not be able to move even a single meter. It's a very big distance, not even a single feet. So by that I mean to say, if you don't have a good money management and risk management, you will not be able to survive. So at the end, just to, in a nutshell, all you need to work on your technicals, fundamentals, but along with your money management and risk management. I have seen so many traders that they are able to make a good profit, but they are not able to hold it. So that is something where you need to work on. If you try to observe my trading, let me show you. I'm just waiting for the result. I'm expecting that it will go positive, but still at last moment anything can be done. Okay, very nice, very nice. So we managed to book a profit. Let me just ignite the bulb. Okay, let me show you one thing. So this is the trade, like majority of trades I have done. Let me show you a few more. See, if you observe the majority of trades which I have done, that is for $5, $15, $10, something like that. Couple of trades like which are for the higher amount. The reason behind, like those are also the trades with the high time, like 3-hour trade. So whenever I am trading on a shorter time duration, I am also working on my risk management and money management, and this is the highest amount which I am using. Okay, so this is something where you need to focus. Okay, so let me take more and more signals. Still we have couple of minutes available, so I will try to open more and more. Euro USD, oh sorry, Euro USD OTC. What's the direction? 5 minute down, 5 minute down. So let's analyze it for at least 2 minutes. Now there is no opportunity to open a trade in the downward direction. This level might be breached, but still market is stuck, and again there is a next level. Okay, no worries. Let me take a couple of more comments. Asia Composite win. Yes sir, we won one trade. Money Tech G, I request you again and again, whenever I am conducting such webinars, such contests, so all you just need to add your entries in this Google form. I can copy your trade. Is this no real 74? This is not safe. The reason behind, there is a telecast gap which can lead to some negative trades. Hi sir, how many trades per day I can take? Simab Akhtar, you need to work on your take profit, like how much profit you want to make and how much loss you can bear, and as per that you can analyze it. So if you're like whatever is your stop loss, the max to max, like max to max, you can go for 1% when you are going to start, and on that basis you can make a calculation that like if I want to make $100 in a day and $70 is my stop loss, so I will start with $1. I will take 3 trades. If trades are going positive, I will increase the capital to 1.5. again 3 trades positive, make it 2. So slowly and gradually I will keep on piling it up, and slowly and gradually once I'll touch my take profit, I will exit the market, and then you can use that data for the future. Please explain zigzag. Hemanji, you can use a zigzag indicator. That is completely fine. Let me talk about that one also. Okay, so I have removed everything. Zigzag. Okay, so zigzag is basically going to tell you the direction of the trend, like what can be the direction. But the thing like which I believe that I'm not comfortable with zigzag, because I believe that is a bit lagging. The reason behind, now if you try to observe the market or on the basis of zigzag, so zigzag is stating that market is moving into the downward direction. At the same time, we can find that at some level market was in the upward direction also. At the same time, now if the market will move into the upward direction, so this line will disappear from here and a new line will be pop up like this one. So I believe that is a bit lagging. You can use it just to get a quick idea that what can be the direction of the market, and then you can use it on the basis on that basis you can use it for forex, but I'm not that much fond of. But that is completely up to you. In case if you feel that is comfortable for you, you want to use it, that is completely up to you, because there is a possibility that the medicine which is not working for me at all, that might be working for you. And Hemaji, I request you, please do not spam your comments. I know you are eager to get the information or answer on that one, but sometime by doing that, it will be hard for me to pick another signals or another questions. Okay, so how to work zigzag, explain. Atif ji requesting again, you can connect by tomorrow 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time on the same channel. We are going to conduct a session in Hindi Urdu, so of course you will be able to connect in that. So traders, again requesting you, before winding up the session, before closing the window, make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, because every now and then whenever we will be coming live, you will be getting an update and you will be able to trade with us. Okay, so majority of the comments are from Hemanji, that how to work with zigzag. Hemanji, I request you again in future, please avoid doing such practices, because that is very hard for me to pick another signal. Okay, Gulshan ji want to ask something. Hello Gulshan ji. Okay, hello. Mr. Indian, today I am initially I started my trading session with using what we call Friday strategy EMA I was using, and now we just got a comment that he want to talk about the zigzag, how zigzag is working. So I just gave a quick overview about that one. It's not about that which specific strategy you are using, it's also depending on that how well practiced you are on that specific strategy. So you need to focus on that part also. It's not always about that how you are using. Okay, so did we took trade on Euro USD OTC? I'm not sure. Let me see. Okay, so Euro, no, this is not the one. Okay, so we are not having much time, so we need to wind up the session also. So let me pick all the, or what we do, we should pick the assets with the profitable. So Astro Index 2 minute and CAD CHF 5 minute. Astro Index 2 minute. So this one we will remove because that was a negative trade. So today we will pick only the positive trade. So this one also we need to remove. Okay, so these are the, I believe, trades which we managed to book a profit. Let me see if there was any. Okay, so or let me see. This one was the trade which we have taken during the session. Yeah, so this one, crypto composite on 2 minute. Crypto composite on 2 minute. Okay, we need to remove this entry also. So majority these are the trades. I'm so sorry traders if I have missed any one of yours ID, but I have tried to make sure that I have picked all the relevant one. So these are the trade IDs which we have used today. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's count how many trades we managed. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this trade was negative. Okay, yeah, so we use 6 signals today. So let me use these one to pick one winner for today. So what I will do, I will just add it in a script, and just give me a second. Let me show, make it visible for you. Okay, so traders, these are the trade IDs which we have the weightage today. So these are the trade IDs which we have picked, or from which trade IDs we have picked some signals. Now I will use one key and we will be able to come up with one winner, and that winner will be having the heading of win. Let me make it a bit more. Wait a second. Okay, so let me make it a bit more visible for you. Okay, so traders, these are the trade IDs, okay, from which we got a maximum number of signals and we managed to book some profit. So there is one trade ID which is twice, I believe. That is the reason that it, yeah, this is having the more weightage. Okay, so let's see. I will run that key, and whatever the system will pick, that will be the winner. Let's see. So which one is the winner for today? That will get a pop-up. Okay, so the trade ID from which we got maximum number of signal by system itself also, that is this trade ID which got picked. So the trade ID which is winner is 112460640. I'm repeating again, 112460640, and we were able to book back-to-back 3 profits. So we were only able to unlock our RFT of $5. I'm so sorry, I was expecting to make more positive trades if we would have managed to book this trade as positive. So there was an opportunity to grab a RFT for at least $7 to $8, but we've missed it. But nothing to worry, at least there is something. So my congratulations to the trader. If you are still available in the comment section, if you are still active with me, my humble request, please let me know so I can give you a shout out. I'm new here, please say something for new traders. See, Maximix G, one thing I just want to tell you, it's not only about investing money, it's also about investing time. So make sure you invest enough time to grab a hold on it, to learn a couple of technicals, because it's not only about that I'm just looking forward for some candle colors, that green candles are there, market can go upward, red candles are there, market can go downward. I need to work on it. Okay, so there are different scenarios, different technicals which you can use to grab a hold on that. And if you want, you can explore our playlist, whatever the sessions we have conducted in the past, everything is available there with the name of the strategy. So if you want to talk about only specific strategies, so just check the description. It should not be mentioned as a challenge, because these are the challenges which I am going to use to conduct every now and then, where I am just giving away some RFTs, and I am also introducing some strategies. So today I have talked about the Friday strategy, and we managed to unlock a RFT of $5, but I request you, please invest some time. Okay, so thank you so much, traders. Thank you so much for sparing time. Thank you so much for such an interactive session. And my congratulations again to the winner. Trade ID is 1124606040. I'll make sure that you will get your $5 RFT as soon as possible. I will forward it to the relevant department. And before winding up this call, I just want to tell you one thing, that make sure you subscribe the channel, be part of the family, so whenever we will be coming live, you will be able to stay connected with us. And of course, if you want, we are also providing a service where we are going to provide you one personal analyst who will be helping you with your technical tools, strategies, and he is going to conduct a one-to-one Zoom session for 30 minutes. And the best part, each session is going to be free of cost. For that, all you just need to reach to the expert level and make sure that your contact number should be updated in your profile. Please avoid sharing your personal details in the comment section. Always update it on the on your profile. And in case if you are on expert level, if you were on expert level, but because of any XYZ reason that your level got downgraded, you didn't receive the call, or you were not able to take that call, or you observed that there is a call from +44 number, international number, and you didn't attend the call, or that went to the spam, any reason, irrespective of the reason, if you want to line up a session, just drop an email or a message to the support team by telling your trade ID, your contact number to them, and tell them that you need some help in trading. Please raise a callback request. Once you will forward these details to the support team, they will send it to my department. So someone from my department will come into the picture and we will line up your session. And again, I'm repeating, all sessions, whether you are going to take one session or 1000, everything is going to be free. So if somebody is stating that they are from Olymptrade, they will teach you something, but you have to pay something, make sure that call is not from our side, because Olymptrade is not giving any such paid service. So guys, by saying this, I'm just going to wind up today's conversation. So thank you so much again. Thank you so much for joining at interactive session. I request you, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, and of course, keep learning, keep earning. This was your host, Kunal Kapoor. Thank you so much. Take care. Cheers.